Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Have you ever used blooming gel to do nail art? I absolutely love it. I think it's so much fun. This blooming gel in particular was incredible to work with. It's from Makartt and it was perfect. Everything you want out of a blooming gel, it was it plus more. So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 designs that I did, and if you would like to see more after that, just let me know and I'll make a part 2. So I started out by, I painted some swatches, black and white, and then you go on to your swatches. I did black and white because I thought it would be good to show the colors. Anyway, you go on to that with your blooming gel. You're going to do one nail at a time. You're going to paint a decent coat on it, not too thick, not too thin, just an average, coat of blooming gel. And then for this one, you do not cure your blooming gel. And then for this one, I went in with white on a liner brush. And I kind of just put it here, there, and everywhere. And let the blooming gel bring it where it wanted it. And I think this one turned out really cool. You could even go over this with some pigment powders or some alcohol inks or like jelly colors even, and turn it into something completely different. That's another thing I love about blooming gel is like the possibilities are endless. You can do anything with it and, then do something else. It's so much fun. It is a lot of fun to work with and to play around with. On this one is one of my favorites. So on the uncured blooming gel, you're going to take your dotting tool, and I just picked up some blue, and I put dots in like a circular type shape, kind of, and it looks like flowers. Super simple, but really pretty and extremely easy. So you just put the dots, you let it bloom for a couple seconds, and then in your lamp for 60 seconds to cure, and top coat, and you're done. Add some little caviar beads or gems to it, and you got a beautiful set of nails. This was another one of my favorites. I love this design. You take on your dotting tool, you go in with your first color. I used purple, and you do a line of dots in like a diagonal shape or diagonal direction, and then you go back on to the first color with a second color. I did orange, and then I went back in with the purple, and it turns out looking so cool. And again, super easy, super quick, a lot of fun, and it looks so good. So this Makartt blooming gel is probably the best I've ever used. It didn't yellow. It didn't, a lot of blooming gels will like separate when you put it on the nail, almost like there's oil underneath it or something. This did not do that at all. And again, it didn't yellow. A lot of them will leave like a yellowing, especially to the white, and it didn't do that. It was really good to work with. It was so much fun to work with. The consistency was perfect. I highly recommend this. You can pick this up on my TikTok shop. I will leave my TikTok in the video, and you can also find it on Makartt's website, and I believe Amazon as well. So this was a one I thought kind of looked like lightning. This is my favorite way to marble. You take 2 colors on the liner brush, and you just barely touch it onto the blooming gel in like an upward angle, and this one looked so cool. It's probably my favorite one. I thought it looked like lightning. But I love marbling with blooming gel. It is so much fun, and I love the outcome almost every time. If you don't like the outcome, though, it's super easy to wipe it off and do it again. Another beauty of blooming gel, you don't cure it until you're happy with the look. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. And again, check out my TikTok showcase and pick this up today. Thanks, guys. Bye.